In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a commands-only channel on Discord. A commands-only channel is a great way to keep your Discord server organized by giving members a dedicated place to use bot commands. Instead of having commands scattered throughout your general chat, this type of channel keeps everything in one location, making it easier for members to interact with your bots while keeping other conversations clean and focused. To get started, open Discord and select the server where you want to create a commands-only channel. Once you're inside the server, locate the channel list on the left side of the screen. Right-click within the category where you'd like the channel to appear, or use the option to create a new channel. When the channel creation window opens, choose Text Channel as the channel type. Give the channel a name that clearly identifies its purpose, such as commands, bot commands, or another name that fits your server. After entering the name, click Create Channel to add it to your server. Next, open the settings for your newly created channel by clicking the Edit Channel gear icon beside the channel name. Inside the channel settings, go to the Permissions section. This is where you'll control who can view the channel and what actions members are allowed to perform. Scroll through the available permissions until you find the Send Messages permission. Deny this permission for the Everyone role, so regular members can't send normal chat messages in the channel. This helps prevent off-topic conversations from filling the channel. After that, make sure the bot or bots you want members to interact with have permission to send messages and read message history in the channel. If your bots use / commands, Discord will still allow members to use those commands even when regular message sending is restricted, provided the necessary application command permissions are available. Once you've finished adjusting the permissions, click Save Changes to apply the new settings. Then close the channel settings and return to your server. It's a good idea to test the channel by running one of your bot's / commands. Confirm that the command works correctly and that regular text messages are blocked for members who don't have additional permissions. This ensures the channel behaves as intended and remains focused on bot interactions. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a commands-only channel on Discord, making it easier to keep your server organized while giving members a dedicated place to interact with your bots. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,